During maintenance, the gas pre-pressure in the vessel must be checked and, if necessary, adjusted to the heating system. The following setting data are documented on the label and must be verified. The gas pre-pressure check is carried out with the vessel unpressurized on the water side. To check, close the maintenance unit on the heating side using an Allen key. By draining the vessel, the expansion vessel can now be depressurized. Draining is done using a standard air vent key. After draining, close the vessel side of the maintenance unit again with the air vent key. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the current pre-pressure. If necessary, a too low pre-pressure must be topped up to the correct value. After reopening the heating side of the maintenance unit, the filling pressure may also need to be topped up to the required system pressure. Once maintenance is completed, a new label must be filled in and attached to the vessel. The safety expansion vessel is now ready for operation. SpiroTech, maximizing performance for you.